Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I had to make a card for my nephew. Well, I wanted to make a card for my nephew. I only had a couple of hours until I was seeing him, so this is just a real quick, simple card. I wanted it to be black, so I'm covering it with black gesso. And since I was creating, I always turn on my camera. Don't always show you. In fact, I just deleted a different card that, well, I didn't end up doing the card because I had to do a different one, which I probably have footage for, so you might see that one at some future time. Anyways, it's birthday month when I'm doing this. I have a lot of birthdays, so I'm making a lot of cards. And as you might have noticed, this one is for my nephew Tyson. He's, I don't know, in his 20s somewhere, so I figured it needed to be, you know, kind of adult looking. My thought was to put his name down the one side and then write positive words out with the letters of his name, and under the time constraints that I had, it was too hard to come up with. Tried Googling, it was just too hard to come up with words that would work. So I do come up with something different, and I'm just using that painter's tape as a ruler so that I get a straight edge. And then I realize when I put this Y down that it's wider than all the rest, so it's not set correctly. But I go ahead and I glue down the rest. Well, the last one, the O. And then I pull off the painter's tape. And I'm thinking I'm just going to be able to nudge that Y over a little bit. Yeah, no. It's stuck. Alien's tacky is tacky. I didn't want to mess it up, so instead of putting words, I decided I would just write happy birthday. And I saw my masking fluid sitting there, so I'm like, why not put it in masking fluid? And I dried it and paint over it. So I'm gonna paint over it with Dylusion's Lemon Yellow. Thought that would be a good contrast to the black. And this is another one, I'm just coming up with it as I go along. Really had no plan. Well, I didn't end up doing my plan. But when I finished this card, everybody that saw it liked it, so I was happy. Now this next part, I must have forgot to turn on the camera for a second, and I just used a letter stencil that I got in my Hobby Lobby haul video. My Hobby Lobby haul. Just to put numbers around the edges. There we go. And then I decide that the birthday is not quite going to show up. So I go over it a little bit more, get that yellow a little bit more bright. Try to catch the edge of those letters. It's funny looking back at it, I see things that I missed when I was doing it. It's funny to record yourself and watch what you did. Alright, so now I'm removing the masking. I'd never done it with acrylic before, but I'd seen other people do it, so I knew it was possible. I figured if you kept the acrylic thin enough, it would be okay. So the card is gone now, and I guess I didn't take a picture of it before giving it away. So all you have is the video, but I have a pretty good shot at the end, I think. We love that masking fluid, don't we? And there we go. See, a simple, easy card. Can do it really quickly. In fact, that one was done super fast. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please hit like. Feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.